Hi, welcome to the Walmart Winter Edition 2022 subscription box. This is the Walmart Beauty Box. It has went up from $5 to $7 something. This is a description of each item in the box, but we'll skip that and actually look at the products. Okay, not bad. We have a sample size 2.25 fluid ounces of hemp's lotion. Not my favorite thing. We actually have a NYX butter gloss in the color Sorbet. Should be a good color. We have a liquid IV electrolyte drink mix, strawberry flavor. Okay. We have Profusion Cosmetics Holiday 2021 4-shade palette. I just got this and it's February the 1st. Has a nice little mirror. Pretty colors. Nothing I would wear, but pretty. We have Sinful Colors Ruby Glisten nail polish. Pretty color. We have one Neutrogena makeup remover towelette. Wow, one. Exciting. And we have a 3 milliliter line correcting booster serum from Boots No. 7. Okay, and that concludes the Walmart Beauty Box for winter.